Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be going over 5 investing habits that have changed my life. Now I know that sounds quite dramatic, but it really has helped me to refine my finances almost, and make it a lot easier to know where money's going, understand where money's coming in, and yeah, hopefully you can find value in this. Hopefully this does help you to develop those habits that can help you sort your finances out. Now, before we get into this, some of it is quite basic, but it is going to help you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And if you do find value in this, hit the subscribe button below, because I'm always coming out with videos like this one. Now, the first habit that I've developed, it's not really a habit because it's automated, but setting up automated payments. Now, the automated payments I'm talking about are into my stock portfolio. Now, I've set it up so that every single, well, you can change it daily, weekly, monthly. I'm currently doing monthly, or I think I'm doing monthly. Can't quite remember because I did it a while ago, but yeah, I set it up so that every single month or week, money goes from my bank account into my trading account or my investing account, and yeah, then that automatically gets invested into all of the stocks that I have selected into each kind of percentage. If you're interested in seeing more about the stock portfolio that I have and all the stocks that I have, you can, if you become a silver trader member. If you want to check that out, you can hit the join button below and see all of the perks that you will get. But yeah, let's move on. Number 2 is expenses and income spreadsheets. Now, I say spreadsheets because I have expenses and I have income on one spreadsheet, and on a different spreadsheet I have my total net worth. So I track everything that is classed as an asset. You can do your own research into what will class as an asset, but anything that classes as an asset, I've put that in there. Also, all of my expenses, all of my income. There is actually a video coming out, it should be out already I think, about my expenses and income spreadsheet. So if you do want that, I will link it in the notes or whatever it is. It should pop up around now. So yeah, you can go onto that video after this one and have a look, and you can actually get the spreadsheet for free. It's a Google spreadsheet, so you can just click on the link and make a copy of it. The third way is not spending money unless I need to. Now, this is tricky because it's kind of, you're going to trick yourself almost into spending money that you want to spend money. That doesn't make sense. You're going to trick yourself into spending your money on things that you want instead of things that you need. And if you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, not make them, but help them to help you not spend money on things that you shouldn't. So, for example, Netflix. If you don't have money, or you complain that you don't have money, but you're spending money on Netflix, it doesn't really make any sense. So yeah, get your priorities straight, and stop spending money on useless stuff. The fourth way is diversifying my income streams. Now, I do have a video on this as well. You can find it on the channel. It's basically about, I can't remember what it's exactly titled as, but yeah, I go into loads of different income streams that you can get that are kind of related to trading and that kind of work well with trading. So if you are interested in that, you can have a look at that. But yeah, diversifying into other income streams definitely helps, because it kind of gives you that confidence that you will have money coming in every single week or month. And the final one is understand that building wealth does take time. Investing, doing anything to do with investing, building wealth, it will take time. It's not going to happen in a month. It's not going to happen in a year. And you just need to understand that you're not going to go from 0 to $1 million in a month. Most people. So yeah, understand it is going to take time, and don't compare where you are right now to someone that's been doing it for 5 years or 10 years, because they're in a completely different spot than you. So just focus on yourself and understand that it will take time. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any kind of video ideas that you want me to do, drop it in the comments below as well. And yeah, hopefully you have a good 2021. And if you're interested in being part of the community, there's a link below to join the Discord community. And if you're interested in getting into the private Discord community, hit the join button and become a member. Now, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in the next video.